Hi, this is Dev Coder, my submission for the Facebook 2020 Developer Circles Community Hackathon. I have built a web platform that can help developers increase their speed of coding by helping them retrieve the code syntaxes for common use cases they might have. Let me show you an example. This currently works only for Python language. So we have a code editor on a web platform here, so anything doesn't have to be downloaded. Python is the only supported language for now. You can select editor theme and key binding mode. We have Sublime, Emacs, Vim and VS Code. You can also change parameters like the font size, tab size and some additional quality of life improvements. So this is the main editor where you can code. It gives all the features that a Sublime text editor would give, like Ctrl F and other handy features that a normal code editor would give right on the browser itself. You can enter the prompt. You can try this example prompt for starter. Suppose you want to sort the list elements and quickly want to obtain the result for it. Click on get code and you get the correct code. This is done by sending this prompt to it.ai and retrieving the results. So now you can copy this and directly paste it here. Let me try another example. Get code. As you can see, even this time we get the correct response. On receiving an ambiguous query, the platform shows the same and you can try again. This can help developers increase their productivity, and future plans for the project include improving support for many other programming languages and getting the tutorial in other native languages. For reading the tutorial on to learn more about Wait.ai, you can come over to this repository and read the README. Thank you.